Now, before all of that, we would like to thank our sponsors. Thank you so much to McDonald's for the food, Hearts and Bell so much Captain Cinema. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of the people from Captive Cinema, especially Miss Maver Mayuga and Miss Michelle Mapua. Good evening to you, ladies. Also, joining us tonight is Political Counselor Stephen Lysack from the British who are here.